y'all? This is your boy, Coach Anthony, man. Look, I'm on Eddie's phone right now. I'm on his DM, you know what I mean? He's a nice guy, so Eddie's not gonna come out and, you know, talk the way I'm gonna talk. You know, speak how I'm gonna speak, but check it out. Look, this is Anthony Joshua's Instagram account. For a lot of people out there who's saying this was hacked or whatever, this ain't his account or whatever, check it out. Boom, Anthony Joshua. Okay, I'm clicking on his name, and bang, look, it goes right to his verified account. He was on his Instagram today, so he has access to his phone. One more time, Anthony Joshua, talking shit. Here you go. Disgrace to the superior black race, right? We're gonna click on the little icon right there, and look what that. You see that verified check? That means that's him, y'all. That means that's Anthony Joshua. Come on, Joshua, let us know what it is, man. If you want that fight, let's make it happen.